Alright, this is for that per 54 big block. All 6 exhaust studs were broken off. And as you can tell, I've gone through a couple washers and nuts trying to get these out. Now, that's the last one. It is kind of recessed. No big deal. And there's probably only about a 1/4 inch material left in there for that stud. I do not have a MIG welder, nor am I breaking the TIG welder out to do that, so stick welding it is. Show you how I do that. Now, as you can tell, I welded down through the inside of the nut, and then I usually try to put some weld from the nut to the washer on the outside. From here you get 2 ways. You can take well, 3 ways. You gotta put an open-ended or box-end wrench on here, spin it out. You put a socket with a ratchet on it. Or you can take an impact, put it at the lowest setting, and just let it slowly bounce off the anvil, which is what I'm going to do. Don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's slowly spinning, which is exactly what you want. Just real nice and easy. Now, one other thing to do too, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I did drill a hole through the end of that. And what that does is once you weld onto the broken bolt or stud, it helps to, when it cools down, it'll shrink to a little bit undersized. So it gives it someplace to contract to. So that's how I usually get broken bolts out.